Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline shorthand property, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS outline shorthand property for style, color and size at once. So right here we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about some shorthand property which we can use, like solid, like which is for the style, and this one red, which is for the color. Right now we are going to be using the size. Now let's give it 15 pixel size. When we give our document 15 pixel, or let's just give it 10. When we give it 10 pixel size, let's reload our document. Can you see nothing reflects yet? Do you know the reason why? The reason why is that we are having double width property like this now, double size. This is another size we are specifying right here. So our document is going to take this instead of taking this. Our document is taking this. So let's remove this one now and place it at the top. When you place it at the top, you are going to see the one that is going to take. Let's reload our document. Can you see it's not taking the one we are having inside our shorthand property? You should be aware of that also. So now you remove this because we don't really need it. We don't want to specify two double value right here. And when we reload our document, it's still working nicely. Now we can increase it and decrease it more better. Let's give it 5 pixels so you can see what I'm talking about. When I give it 5 pixels, can you see it's around 5 pixels now? And we can do this in another element also, like our body element which we are having right here. Let's specify the size right here. Let's remove this outline width property we have right here. When we remove this, when we remove it, we can now specify when we save our document. Let's see the default. By default, as you can see, by default we are having this right now. Let's use our size now. When we use our size, let's give it 30 pixel. When we give it 30 pixel and reload our document, now can you see? So that's how you can use sizing. That's how you can increase the size, decrease the size using your shorthand property. As you can see right here, we can decrease it, we can increase it. Let's give it 50 so you can see what I'm talking about. When you give it 50, it's going to increase more thicker. Can you see how it's looking? So I think we have to stop here for now. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time, but before I go again, what you should notice right here is that we are using the color, we are using the style, and also we are using the width, which is controlling the size. So please, I want you guys to practice this because practice makes perfect. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace out.